dry. Do you know I'm looking?
Go Henry, go Elise!
Do you know how much I love you? But
Yeah!
and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep.
You
I
like
like
this?
this one because it's fluffy.
He is fluffy and he's so sweet.
I think he likes your baby hair. Oh, it's cute. That's soft.
Which one's older? Is Baraka?
When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
I love that you like trotting.
Starting is the best.
Trotting is the best! Oh my goodness.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay
Henry, Isla, can you get Blondie to come this way?
No, sorry. Midnight. Blondie will follow Midnight.
forever?
Get one.
Okay, does everyone want your ribbon? Okay. Oh, you are? Okay. Ask them where they want it. And then we'll give Periwinkle to her mom.
Right now. Wait until they're done and they're taking pictures, right? Let's go see Sissy.
Just loving this moment.
Chloe, do not get that close.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know?